What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Welsh back with another little vidski. So today, guys, one of my packages came into the mail. It's my Hasport 70A rear torque mount for the 8th Gen SI or FT5, whatever you want. Oh my god! I'm gonna open this bitch. Look at that shit. Yeah, I thought this would be way smaller for some reason.
That's what she said.
Yeah, there's the rear torque mount. Alright guys, so now we're in my room and I actually picked up some Coilovers Tein Street Advanced Z. A lot of 8th gen guys said this was a decent, pretty good alternative, obviously over from stock. If you want low, good spring rates, they're dampening adjustable on the top here. So there's like a little tool which is on the floor over there, which I'm not gonna get. But this little guy on the top, you just spin, and all the way to the right is all the way hard. So that'd be like the, I think it's the 16th setting. So there's only 16 settings. No other ones out there have like 32, but I don't think I'll really need those, to be honest. Hopefully I will see you guys probably the next day. I'll be making the same video, so I won't make another video. I'll probably just cut to the car being lowered with the mount and see my reaction, and we'll go for a little drive, see how much different it is, how many vibrations am I feeling with the new mount. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna cut now to the car being completely done, everything on it, rear mount, let's get it. It's a little more vibrating when driving around, like kind of lower RPMs. But not too bad when you're idling. Idle is normal. Oh, fuck, am I gonna scrape, dude? And we're stuck in traffic. Oh wow. I'm not really pushing it, but you can tell it just wants to dart. Up around those higher RPMs, it does vibrate a lot. And yeah, it has a very, you can almost like hear the vibrations. It's a really weird feeling and sound. Excusez-moi, holy balls. But would I recommend this to you? Yes, 100%. Look at this fucking guy. Fucking flying. This is a very good starting mod. I don't know about the coilovers per se, but I would probably do the Hasport Rear Mount 70A, which is the race option, and then Honda Flash Pro, get a base map, and then maybe get an intake or whatever, and then put them all on at the same time. You could do the base map for a little while, but I wouldn't run it for too long, because they're not really meant to be ran for a long time. I would like to someday get Honda Flash Pro for this. I think it really wakes them up, so that'll be definitely probably in the future. I don't know when. This guy's really pissing me off.